Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're taking you out to the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for March, and this is the Walkabout Cam. This is a great little event. There's always different cars to see at this event. That's why I love going out to this event. There's never the same mix of cars from month to month. It's just a great little event. Anyway, I took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
I'm sorry. Oh, fuck yeah, that man got it. That song. Oh, yeah.
projects until I sell the boat.
Yep.
Oh, wicked. What year is it?
How you doing, sir?
Just fine.
Doing all right?
Yep.
Oh, it's bad.
My sweet Lord. All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup from March. I hope you guys enjoyed it. On your way out, don't forget to drop a like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this channel and its content. We'd appreciate it if you did. So, like I say, don't forget to subscribe. And if you think about it, don't forget to share this around to your friends and family and tell them to follow this guy and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one.